Hi guys, so if you are someone like me who's always struggling with storage space at your home and you're always on the lookout for like compact gadgets and things, then you're gonna absolutely love the Black and Decker, the VMax Chordless vacuum cleaner. So guys, why this is a wonderful product according to me, occupies such less space in the house, which is amazing, really compact, handy, because I personally find heavy gadgets really difficult to move, but this one, that's not a problem. So this is a handheld vacuum cleaner, but don't go by the size. This has because of the lithium technology that it uses, it has an amazing suction power. So guys, let me show you this miraculous gadget. This is amazing. This is the brush which it uses for cleaning, and if you notice, there is this pulley button here. So the moment you press this actually comes out like this. So when you're storing it, you fold it like this, and then you have to use it, you just lift it like this. This is really amazing. This is the power on and the off button. This is the dust can where all the lint, the scrap gets collected. So you just open it, change the filter once it's completely damaged. It's really convenient. So guys, what you also receive is the charger. You plug it in and you place the vacuum cleaner here. So this is how it stays on charge. So guys, definitely being so compact, it has an edge over the bigger vacuum cleaners because they do not reach all the spots in the house when you are cleaning. So if there's like a narrow, spot where the bigger ones will not reach, this one definitely reaches. Having said that, this is also pretty good with like flatter, broader, just like big surfaces. So it's not like this is meant only for like smaller surfaces, but yeah, because this is handheld, so primarily this has been designed to tackle the issue of reaching like teeny meeny spots where the bigger vacuum cleaners cannot reach, or they're just too heavy to pick up in the hand. So pretty universal guys. You can use it on rugs, carpets, beds, cushions, couches, floor, any kind of floor really, hard floor, tiles, wooden, whatsoever. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.